So this is the look. I'm so excited. This is only my second long YouTube makeup video. And today I am doing something completely different. I am attempting to recreate Kylie Jenner's recent glam look. And honestly, you are going to be the judge. Did I pass or did I fail miserably? Be honest, okay? Hi, this is Ekota Gangopadhyay and let's get started. Starting with the Mars Gripping Primer. And of course, it refuses to come out. My products really love embarrassing me on camera. Just blending the primer outwards, focusing mainly on my T-zone because that's where my makeup loves to betray me the most. Now I am color correcting my dark under eyes, proudly sponsored by my phone addiction, using the orange shade from the Inside Cosmetics Pro Concealer palette. Next, I am setting all of this with the Inside Cosmetics Banana Loose Powder so it doesn't mix with the foundation later. Taking the Maybelline Fit Me foundation in the shade 128. Just one pump on the back of my hand, I warm it up and dot it all over my face. I'm not a foundation girly at all, but this is a full glam Kylie moment, so we commit. And now, we blend. Your foundation should melt into your skin. Seamless, but never cakey. Now, it's concealer time. I am using the L'Oreal Infallible Concealer in shade 309. Honestly, this one is such a gem. Full coverage, blends beautifully and totally budget friendly. Let it dry. Now I am contouring using the same Inside Cosmetics Pro Concealer palette, this time with the dark brown shade. And honestly, I have never done this level of full face contour in my life. Because my face is already long and naturally snatched, so I literally don't know what I'm about to end up looking like. Let's just hope for the best and pray to Kylie's glam team. Now it's blush time. But sadly, I don't have Kylie's exact cool pink blush shade. But don't worry, your girl knows her jugaad. We are mixing the pink and white lip shades from the Mars Infinity lip palette to create our own custom Kylie blush. Now let's blend everything, one by one. First the contour, then the blush, and then the concealer. Blending is literally what separates Kylie Glam from Kahani 2006 villain. So go slow, go soft, and make everything melt into the skin. You know, this is actually the first time I'm seriously attempting to recreate a Western celebrity's makeup look. And suddenly I'm having flashbacks. Flashbacks to class 7 me, when I recreated my very first celeb look. And guess who she is? Moni Roy from Nagin season 1. I was obsessed, okay? I even edited green lenses onto my eyes using those legendary editing apps. And of course, I proudly posted it on my WhatsApp status. And the funniest part, I only had one eyeliner, one lipstick, and a compact because I was a dancer. And babes, I looked nothing like her, like not even her distant cousin. But the confidence. Honestly, that naive confidence was kind of iconic. Because here I am today, many eyeliners later, finally recreating an actual Kylie Jenner glam look. So let's see, have I finally upgraded from Nagin Moni Roy fantasy to Kylie level glam? Or am I still stuck in class 7 energy? You will decide, okay? Okay, wait. I know it looks like I have blush blindness right now, but I swear I don't. This is Kylie's glam team's fault. They told me to go heavy on blush. But Trust the process, it's gonna come together, I promise. Now I am baking my under eyes and right under the cheekbone with some Inside Cosmetics banana loose powder and a powder puff. I am letting it sit for a few seconds and then just dusting away all the extra powder. Now moving on to the eyes. First I am aggressively brushing my brows with a spoolie like they personally offended me. Then I am just filling the sparse areas and blending everything back with the spoolie. I don't overdo my brows because one extra stroke and I start looking like Raven. And that's not the energy we want today. Next, I am taking a soft transition shade from the Swiss Beauty Ultimate Shadow Palette and blending it right into my crease. Then I am deepening the eyes with a medium brown and finally going in with the darkest brown to add that definition. Since this look is a cut crease, I am taking a bit of concealer on a flat eyeshadow brush and placing it on my lid. Now just look up and down once to get that perfect guide. Then I am slowly curving out the crease, covering the whole area with concealer. Now I am picking up this golden shimmer shade from one of my very old eyeshadow palettes. Don't ask me its name, it's a dupe. And using my finger, I am pressing it right onto the lid. I feel finger application always hits harder. Instant pigment, instant happiness. I am just redefining the edges with a dark brown shade to make the cut crease look cleaner and sharper. Taking a small angular brush, I am connecting the outer corner to the crease using that same medium brown shade. Now, using my Lakme eyeliner, I have created a sharp wing, clean and snatched. I am also extending the inner corner to give that lifted foxy eye effect. Now I am also running the same shade along my lower lash line to add a little more depth and definition. Next I am applying Lakme Kajal lightly on my waterline for that soft definition. Finishing off with the Mars 2-in-1 mascara, coating both upper and lower lashes. And that's it. The eye makeup is officially complete. Next, I am lining my lips with the Swiss Beauty lip liner in the shade Dark Chocolate. Please ignore my clumsiness. And for lipstick, I am using Swiss Beauty in the shade Bear, the perfect nude to match this glam. Reapplying the lip liner to get that perfectly defined outline. Now I am highlighting my brow bone, nose bridge and inner corners using the Wet n Wild highlighting palette. Just enough to give that soft glow without looking glittery. Finishing my lips with the Inside Cosmetics Clear Gloss. And that's it. This is the final look. Also, I completely forgot to apply setting spray, but you definitely should, so your makeup lasts all day. I hope you enjoyed this entire tutorial. If you did, please like, share and subscribe, and don't forget to tell me in the comments, did I pass or did I fail miserably at recreating Kylie Jenner's glam? Follow me on Instagram and Facebook, links are in the description box. See you soon in my next video. Love you guys, bye!